What up, Glam Fam, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi, and today we're going to do a little twist on a trend that is going around right now. I don't think I'm going to ignore the trend the way it's going, but I wanted to put a twist on it. You know, I like to put my own little twist on it. So I'm just going to paint all of these nails this beautiful cream color by Modelones. They're all going to get 2 coats. As you can see, it's not perfectly opaque with 1 coat, but it's close. It's actually like, I really love this Modelones polish. The one that comes in the little sets. That one was the Secret Garden set. So now I've put some beetles polish down on that little tray. And now we are going to go in for the swirly trend. But instead of doing lines, we're going to do dots because I just kept seeing it as dots. I just kept thinking, how cute would this trend be in a different sort of presentation? So we're going to keep the swirlies, but instead of just doing swirl lines, we're just going to dot it up because why not? It's just a different way to interpret the trend. And I love that everybody is jumping on board the trend, but I didn't want to make just another video showing you how to make lines because I can think of, just off the top of my head, at least 5 videos that I've seen in the last week where somebody is showing you how to do swirls. So I thought, you know what? I want to do it, but I want to do it the Gigi way. So we're going to go ahead and pull out some dotting tools. And I did actually pull out 2, but I ended up only using the 1 because, you know, as you dot, it'll be big and then get smaller and smaller and smaller. And that was the effect I was going for. And so it seemed to work out really well for me. Now I am doing like a flowing pattern across all the nails with the colors, not with the dots. Each nail has its own flavor of swirls, but on the first nail I did 2 colors. On the second nail I pulled one of the colors and added one, and I just kept doing that all the way across the 5 nails so that there was a flow to the colors. And I felt that in the end it turns out super aesthetically pleasing. It really made me happy. This is actually the second set that I did. The first one is okay. It's okay, but it wasn't exactly what I had in my head. And so I set those to the side and decided, hey, why not give this another go and see if you can really execute what you see inside your head. And sure enough, giving it a second chance and really just sticking to the vision I had originally ended up with just, I personally think, one of the cuter little sets that you could wear for springtime. It feels very spring to me because the colors are all pretty pastel, with the exception maybe of that coral, and even that is a medium tone. So I think it's a great set for springtime, for heading into spring. It would probably even be cute for like Easter or something because of all the pastel colors. There's just a lot of ways that you could wear this. And you wouldn't even have to do dots on every nail. You could just do a couple or 3 and then do accent nails with solid colors. So that would be cute too. But I just wanted to go all the way with all of the nails being dotted. So today's video is a little short, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope that you like it. I had a really great time doing this set, and I think it came out super, super cute. And here we are with some top coat. And our top coat today is Enail Couture Wonder Gel. It's kind of a rubbery top coat, almost, I would say. It doesn't feel like a hard gel. But that's just a guess on my part. It smells kind of rubbery too. You know, that rubbery smell? So if you know if it is one way or another, let us know in the comment section. Please also, while you're down there, be sure to click all of those buttons because that helps the channel grow. And leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of the set. Next week, we're going to start the week off with a swatch party. It's going to be a short one, but I'm excited about it. So be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss the notification about that. And here is the full set. Thanks again for watching, you guys. There's going to be a couple reveal shots coming up. You stay tuned for those, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.